This is Annexa on Air, and I'm Peter Nitschke, Founding Director of Pivot2 Solutions, Annexa's planning and forecasting partner. Today's topic is Oracle SmartView and how it can be used to directly analyse and input data in Excel and the other Microsoft products. The Oracle SmartView add-in is an Oracle tool provided with NSPB to connect Oracle EPM applications and data to the Microsoft Office platform. This is available to download from the Oracle website, and once connected to NSPB, allows you to directly interrogate the data in your system, run reports directly into Excel, Word or Outlook, or alternatively, upload data directly during the planning cycles. In addition, with Oracle NetSuite integration, we have the capability to drill from reporting in Excel directly back to the transactional information within NetSuite. For an example of the power of SmartView, imagine the CFO has requested some more information about revenue data for the current period. By opening our SmartView within Excel and then opening an ad hoc form, we can quickly analyse and review the data directly from the database. By going to ad hoc completely, we can then keep only on the revenue position, allowing us to zoom in and out, quickly showing only the context information that's required. By copying and pasting, we can also now add new columns to the data set. Member selection allows us to see different scenarios to allow for that comparative budget versus forecast position. And directly editing the column headers, we can then see other data. Here you can see we're looking at a review point for the prior year's actuals. Obviously, we can then drill further down and go expose all of the underlying detail that exists in the database. We've just scratched the surface of what's available at Oracle SmartView, a key tool for analysis of your actual budget and forecast data. Thanks for watching Annexa on Air, and stay tuned for our next episode.